Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile with the Bluetooth system in this Isuzu D-Max. First of all, if you go, make sure your Bluetooth's on, click Bluetooth on. Now, there's some settings on this unit that would make it show up straight away if you just went to your phone. However, if it doesn't show up after a minute or two, it's looking for one here, not seeing it, so we then go to click the menu button in the center, Navi, radio, AV and phone, click on phone, then we click on settings, then you see here auto connect and visibility, so we want those two to be on and on. Just see this, it should show up any second now. There you go, that's it showing up at the bottom. So we click on that and it's come up on the radio. Would you like to pair with this device? Yes. And pair with this device, and it's generated a random pin number, so it's the same. And then allow, it's showing on the head unit and it's showing connected here.